I'm going to show you how VPN work to access the site that you can or your country are not accessible or it blocks. So first of all, going to show you in the Play Store. I'm going to download the best Play Store, the best VPN that the install. It's called VPN. So Turbo VPN, you need to download it. If you need a link, I give the link down below, or you're going to search it. Turbo VPN. Turbo VPN is it give you unlimited free VPN, and it don't have it don't have you don't need to pay to access, and it's very free and it's unlimited. So first of all, I'm going to show you that in what is my current IP address. So I'm going to search what is my current IP address here, where the PVN or the virtual private network can give me or can have a proxy connection. So we're going to open it and going to tap to connect. So you can see here it's connecting. So I'm now connected, and I'm in India. I'm connected in India server. So going to take a look back again what is my IP address when I so now guys, going to open what is my IP address look like when I'm use the VPN. So I'm now connected, as you can see I'm connected in India, so that I'm not in. So this is very good if you are blocked to the website that you want to visit, or